Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's a lot of discussion going on. We announced, of course, that the recall feature was postponed, and that the new PCs coming out this week that should have recall on them, that have the Snapdragon X Series CPU, seem to, they won't have recall, first of all, and they were supposed to, and now we're kind of wondering exactly, trying to read between the lines at Microsoft. So, we already have Copilot. Copilot was not necessarily the thing that was most of, interest for most people. We have, of course, the lack of trust with Microsoft, which doesn't help. And most people are trying to actually remove Copilot, or they just don't want it, sorry. Now, recall has a lot of backlash, and I don't remember the last time Microsoft had a feature that created such a stir. And some are saying that even though they're saying that they are postponing it, we'll be testing it in the insider rings first. They're starting to wonder if Microsoft just isn't backing off. Somebody might have said, well, okay, people don't want to recall. People are scared to recall. People are scared of what's going to happen security-wise with the privacy and so on. Could recall be something that will never come to a PC? Now, that's what we're starting to wonder. Microsoft doesn't say it's dead. Microsoft says they're postponing it. They'll be testing it. And for now, I think we should take that it's eventually might come to a PC. But is the fact that people going crazy was so strong that Microsoft decided to maybe forget about it, or at least for a while? Maybe they want to tweak it in a different way so that it doesn't sound as bad as people think. The idea behind it is great, but it seems to be really scaring the hell out of the users, and most people don't want it. So now, could that make a difference? Would the recall feature being there make PC sales go down? One of the things that we know is that the PCs that were about to come out are, of course, probably on pre-sale, meaning people have purchased some of these PCs before they are available, so that they'll be the first to get one. Could they have seen that the pre-sales are not good on those PCs particularly? This is a lot of questions. So the question I have for you guys today is recall eventually going to come, or is it dead? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.